Hello friends, welcome to our channel 90 Ideas. In this video you can see seating areas in house. Create cozy sunroom or enclosed porch with a large windows to allow natural light to flood in. Furnish it with comfortable seating like wisher chairs or small sofa along with a coffee table for perfect relaxation spot. Design a reading nook by placing a plush armature or casey log near the front windows. Add a small side table and a floor lamp for a warm, inviting spot to enjoy a book. Arrange a set of comfortable chairs around a small table to create an intimate conservation area. This setup is perfect for entertaining guests and enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning. Install a built-in window seat with storage underneath. Add plush cushions and throw pillows to make it comfortable and stylish. Seating options that also utilize space efficiently. A large sectional sofa provides ample seating for family and friends. Choose one with a chest log or leg reclining options for adding comfortable. Invest in a stylish entertainment center to house your TV, gaming consoles and media. So if you like these ideas, first of all like the video, click the subscribe, press the like on this video, share to your friends, family members.
Up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
Include a couple of stand chairs to complement the main seating area. These can be used for additional seating and add a pop of color or texture to the room. Thoughtfully designing both the house front seating areas and TV louds, you can create inviting and functional space that cater to relaxation. Don't forget like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.